Let's take a look at designing preplots. All the distance units are determined by the coordinate system you have selected. In this example, I'm using UTM Zone 11 North, so all my distance units are in meters. From the Generate menu list, I'll select 2D Line, which will open up the Generate 2D Line dialog box. The origin is the start of my 2D line. The line azimuth format is degrees, minutes, seconds, with the decimal place separating the degrees and minutes. My station spacing is the distance between two adjacent stations, and the station increment is the numbering change between stations. In this example, a +1, which means we increase each station number by 1. When I click OK, we're asked to verify our entered azimuth. Then we're asked for the coordinate system of our 2D line. Next, we have the option of creating an ASCII file and a QLD upload file. Now we'll create a 2D line with half stations. I will offset my half stations 30 meters to the right of the center line. If I'm standing at the BOL looking at the EOL, my right-hand side corresponds to a positive cross-line offset. We can see our half stations have been offset 30 meters from the center line. Let's create a 3D grid. From the Generate menu list, I will select 3D Grid. Here, I've entered a track azimuth of 90 degrees. We now have separate track and bin numbers. I'm going to generate tracks to the left, which corresponds to my left-hand side if I was standing at the BOL of a track looking towards the EOL. Tract spacing is the distance between adjacent tracks, and I'll increase track numbers by +10 for each successive track. Here we can see our track spacing of 500 meters, and the track numbers increase by 10 for every new track.